Hey guys, Badri again. I'm going to show you something very cool. If you're a small business trying to target another small business, there are some cool tricks of the trade that I'm going to show you from our tool right here. So I'm going to let me share my screen right now. As I'm pulling this up, essentially, let's go. Okay. So when you log into Crigloo, you're going to see the 6-pack, and then you're going to click on target audience, which is in the bottom left. So click on create new. As this is pulling up. Okay, so choose your persona. So just to recap, multiple personas comprise an audience. So let's say you pick, choose a persona. And if you're brand new and if you've never advertised with us before, you start with fresh prospect. So click on that. And then here, let's just say you're targeting all of the United States. Just as an example, you just say United States. Okay, there you go. So you pull that up. And then under psychographic, it's mainly your interest. I'm going to show you something in Facebook, which is going to be super useful. Let's say we say small business. You type small business and enter. So you can choose a small business. You can also choose small business administration. Let's say we choose these two, and then we apply. And these two are or condition. So that means it could be either a small business or a small business administration. Either of those two will pull up. Let's further narrow this. When we want to further narrow it, you'd get an and condition. So that means this has to be true and this has to be true. So let's look at a couple of examples. Let's say we look at entrepreneur as an example. So we type entrepreneur here. Okay, there you go. So you pick on entrepreneurship and you pick sole proprietorship. And there is other aspects too. If you want to do female entrepreneurs, you want to do social entrepreneurship. So there's multiple options. I'm going to just show you this as an example. And then you say apply. And then further, we can further narrow this. You can say, look, I want somebody that's affirmatively said they're an owner of a company. Let's just say we try to look for that. Okay, owner occupier. Okay, that could be something interesting. Actually, owner operator. That's probably even better. Owner operator. So that's got about 700,000, 650,000. So that's pretty good. So that's a pretty decent size targeting range, and you say apply. So just to recap, you want to target all of the US, and you're targeting small businesses, and you're also targeting entrepreneurs or sole proprietors, and you're targeting owner operator. So just to recap, so the small, it's in this particular box, it's either small business or small business administration, and it's either entrepreneurship or sole proprietorship and owner operator. So that's how it works. And this will give you a pretty good slice of the market. It won't be too broad a scope. You're going to narrow it down, and that's what I want to show you. So as a B2B operator, this is going to be super useful in Facebook. So you can just close this, and it's going to save this for you. Okay, there you go. So if you want to look at it again, just to make sure it's working, just click on it. You can see it's United States, and let's look at Facebook. So what we inputted is all here. That's it. There you go. And this is going to be very pretty handy. It's going to be very handy for lots of entrepreneurs that are looking for other businesses. So you close this, and it should appear in your target audience right here. That's what I think 140 is what we had. And there you go. That's all I want to show you. Thank you.